Click 125V3 Engine Support Extension Plus to custom fabrication. A customer came to the shop requesting a custom fabricated engine support extension for his click. 125V3, the aftermarket extension he was using was shaking too much during rides, which can cause instability and extra vibration.